To manage file in Python is simple. So let's say I have a variable here, and then I can use the open function. So the open function will accept at least two parameters. The first parameter is the file name, and then the second parameter is the mod or the flag. Okay, so the first one is the file name. So let's see in my folder here, there is no other file, so I can maybe create one. So I can put a.text, the file name, and then from here we can put the a for append. If you want to append, if the file is exist or not exist, and then the function will open the file to append, to write and append the text. If you want to read, and then you can use the r, it will only read the file. If you want to write the file, and you can use the w word, w write. If you use the w and plus, that means it will read and write. So now I can write something in the file. So let's say a file dot write. So I can say here hello world. So if I run this code, it will create a file in my folder here. So if I open this text, and then it will write hello world. Now let's see how to append this file. So actually I can put the a plus, or the a also can, and then I put this is new world. So if I can or I run this code, so there's nothing to show here, but if I open the a.text file, and then it will append my text. This is append function. So if I put w again, or w plus again, and then I put here cleared and new text. Okay, so then I run, there's nothing to show here again. But if I open the a.text file, so it will show the only cleared and new text. So we can see the difference here. If you use append, then it will append the new content. That means it combine the old and new content. But if you use w, so it will clear all and rewrite again. So to read a file, then you can just change from w plus to r, and then from here we can just print file dot read. So when we run this code, it will show the content of the text file.